In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can remove background noise on Audacity. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. This is a little bit of a sample audio that I did go ahead and record a couple of minutes ago, so I could do this tutorial. But the way you go ahead and remove background noise is, what you need to go ahead and do is, once you start recording, just leave like 3, 4, 5 seconds worth of just blank noise. That's so it can obviously process the background noise that you have got in your audio before you start recording your main, voice and things. But once you've done that, what you need to go ahead and do is just simply go ahead and highlight the first couple of seconds there at the start of the audio, click on Effect, go down to Noise Reduction, and then click on Get Noise Profile. And then once you've clicked on Get Noise Profile, just simply go ahead and click on Control A to go ahead and select the all part of the audio, and click on Effect, Noise Reduction, and then click on OK. You want to go ahead and just leave all these settings as they are, or you can go ahead and copy mine if you like. So go ahead and use Noise Reduction decibels 17. And then once you've gone ahead and got your settings, just click on OK. And then what it will do is it will just simply go ahead and remove the background noise. But obviously, the longer your audio, the longer it will take. So say if you've got a 10-minute clip, it will probably take like 30 seconds to go ahead and remove all the background noise from your clip. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.